Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we are literally unpacking a fascinating little story all about teamwork. Ever stop and think about the secret lives of your shipping supplies? Let's dive right in. Welcome to Parcel Town. It's this tiny world where every piece of packaging has its own personality. You've got proud bubble wrap soaking up the attention, while quiet packing tape gets completely ignored. But then, a special toy had to travel super far. This was a massive challenge for everyone. Bubble wrap cushioned the bumps, sure, but packing tape had to step up to seal that box tight. Faced with this epic journey, Bubble Wrap finally admitted a hard truth. He just couldn't do it alone. Packing tape totally agreed. Neither of them could safely transport this toy without the other one's skills. So what's the takeaway? Every single role matters, guys. Together, we are always way stronger. Now, believe it or not, this simple little fable actually connects to some incredibly deep, ancient roots. This ancient Sanskrit verse from the Hitopadesha perfectly nails it. In this age, strength really lies in unity. So, ask yourself, are you the bubble wrap or the tape? And who do you need to succeed?